In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Google Forms. Whether you're working on a project for an international audience, collaborating with team members across different regions, or simply want to set your interface to your preferred language, changing the language settings in Google Forms can really make a difference in your user experience. First, let's open up Google Forms. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, find the form you'd like to edit, or you can start a new form by clicking on the blank template. Now, to change the language of the form, know that the process slightly differs from changing the language settings of other Google applications. The trick here is to change the language of your entire Google account, which subsequently affects the Google Forms language setting as well. Let's head over to your Google account settings. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon located in the top right corner of your browser window. Once you click your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for and click on Manage Your Google Account. This will direct you to the Google Account Settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy settings to personalized services, including language preferences. On this settings page, take a look at the left-hand side menu and click on the section labeled Data and Personalization. As you scroll down this menu, keep an eye out for the option that says Language. This option will let you search and select your preferred language. Tap on Language and then click the pencil icon beside the current language displayed. A list of languages will appear. Scroll through this list or type in the search bar for quicker access and select the language you want to use. Once you select your language, this option will automatically save your changes for you. Sometimes you may need to refresh your browser or log out and log back into your Google account to see the changes take effect. It's that simple. Now, when you navigate back to Google Forms, everything should be displayed in your chosen language, making it easier for you and your collaborators to work in your preferred language setting. Remember, being able to toggle between languages smoothly not only enhances communication, but also enriches collaboration by making sure that everyone on your team can interact with the form without any language barriers. That wraps up today's guide, and I hope this makes using Google Forms a lot more convenient for you and your team. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.